Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I got this, the all new Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So let's unbox this and have the first impression of this tablet. So let's start. So here comes the tablet, the box of the tablet in which I received the tablet, and side में color that is Mystic Pink, RAM 4GB and ROM 64GB लिखा हुआ है. पीछे at the back इसका price which is 55,000, but applying all the discount I got it for 41,000 only, and also the box content is written at the back. So for the safety reasons कि कुछ फॉल्ट ना हो, इसलिए मैंने इसे पहले ही अनबॉक्स कर लिया था ताकि कुछ रिटर्न या रिप्लेस कराना हो तो वो हो पाए. सो स्टिल लेट्स अनबॉक्स एंड द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ. सबसे पहले हमें टैबलेट मिलता है, देन द पेन, द एस पेन विच इज़ ऑल्सो इन मिस्टिक पिंक इन कलर, देन द ट्रैवलर अडैप्टर. ट्रैवलर अडैप्टर टिपिकल सैमसंग है, दैट इज़ 15 वाट्स का आउटपुट है इसमें, 15 and 10 वाट्स आउटपुट. एंड हेयर कम्स द केबल. केबल इज़ USB-C to normal A type cable, and at last we have this user manual जो कोई काम का नहीं है, और पीछे इसका सिम इजेक्टर टूल है. सो सब कुछ को साइड पे रखते हैं and let's just focus upon the tablet. So this is that tablet. So ये पिंक कलर में ही अवेलेबल था, पिंक एंड ब्लैक. सो आई प्रेफर्ड पिंक ओवर ब्लैक. सो दिस इज़ द कलर साइड वाइज. इसमें आप कीबोर्ड भी अटैच कर सकते हैं. द कीबोर्ड विच वाज कॉस्टिंग अराउंड 5,000, एंड माइक है, द स्पीकर ग्रिल. इसमें दो स्पीकर है, एंड पावर बटन. दिस इज़ द वॉल्यूम अप एंड डाउन. अनदर माइक. दिस इज़ फॉर द एज इट दिस इज़ एन LTE मॉडल, सो इसमें आप सिम डाल सकते हो, सिम प्लस मेमोरी कार्ड अप टू 1 TB. And here is the slot for the charging and for the headphone, and this is the another speaker. This is the back, and the speaker is tuned by the AKG. So here is the branding, and here is the Samsung inscribed. So I will set up this tablet and I will talk to you after setting this up. So hello everyone, done with the setup process, and as you can see this is the initial fascia of the tablet. The tablet runs really smooth, and इसका processor है 750G, and the screen size is around 12.4 inches. Also the RAM is 4GB and the ROM is 64. So let's look how much of the memory we are left with out of 64GB. So in the setting, go to battery and device care in the storage. So out of the 64GB, 20GB is sort of used, so you will get roughly around 44-45GB free. So this is it about this tablet, and as you can see, not a lot of bloatware is pre-installed. If you talk about the app, the Netflix, the YouTube Music, and the YouTube, all the Google specific apps, and some of the Microsoft apps are also installed in this tablet, you can see. So now let's talk about the S Pen. So ये रहा S Pen which is same in color, and इसमें एक बटन इनबिल्ड है. So you can use this S Pen very fluently with the tablet. It doesn't lag. And when you place this near to the screen, a small pop-ups comes out. When you click it, you get specific apps, specific folders where you can use the S Pen. Along with all that app, you have one specific app, that is this note shelf. In note shelf you can like create your or customize your own notebook. For example, I want to create this notebook with dark theme and checked box, so I can create this, and I can also create the or change the cover template. You also have some free downloadable templates out there, so you can try it, such as if we want, you can select this art and it starts to download, और ये जैसे ही download हो जाएगा, you can use it as your cover also. So it is downloaded now. Let's use this. So here comes the art one, and you can use this as a template and press on the create notebook. So here comes the notebook, and you can just write it with the pen. So as you can see, it is very smooth and the latency is very low, and by just a press of this button you can turn this nib into an eraser and you can erase all this. So it is really easy to write, and very you can do many cool stuff with this tablet. So talking about the audio and the video, so the tablet comes with a dual speaker, and the speaker is tuned by the AKG. So let's test the speaker also. So I am playing a video from my channel only, so you can see. First picture which I have for you is the anatomy department. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Myself ARPAN Singh, a third year MBBS student currently studying in which I had during my first year of MBBS in Ukraine. So now comes the fun part. Now comes the what happens before and after buying the iPhone 10 and the Ukrainian language culture. And here you can. So as you can see, the speaker quality is really good because it is tuned by the AKG, and also it is the dual speaker, so you will not have any problem with the speakers, and the display is also very crisp. So now talking about the camera, so being a tablet, आप इससे बेस्ट कैमरा का उम्मीद तो नहीं कर सकते. The photo and the videos are just average in nature, but still the pictures which I have clicked, I will try to put them over the screen, so you be the judge, and you can look into the pictures how good they are, and based upon that you can further decide whether you like the photos or not. But being a tablet, you should not expect it to be very good with the photos and the videos. Rest all thing is good with this tablet, and if you have any specific question, do comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.